Hi, today we will pronounce this word, pediatric. In American English it pronounced pediatric. Pediatric.
In British English, it pronounces Paediatric. Pediatric.
In Hindi English, it pronounced Pediatric. Pediatric. Pediatrics is the branch of medicine dealing with the health and medical care of infants, children, and adolescents from birth up to the age of 18. The word pediatrics means healer of children. They are derived from two Greek words. Pais refer to child and iatros refer to doctor or healer.
Did you get it? Let me know in the comment. Pediatric. We create more videos for how to exactly pronounce medical terms. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe our Anatomy Note YouTube channel. Have a nice day.